Alright, update on the Bigfoot replica on a budget build. I did decide to go ahead and keep it to blue. I'm not going to do the old Godzilla truck. I'm almost done fixing most of the rust in here. My ugly welds. And I'm taping it off. I'm going to paint on the chrome molding on the sides because for one thing it's too expensive, and the other thing mud gets caught up underneath it and it makes the truck rust faster. So here's what I'm dealing with so far. I know it doesn't look like I've done much, and I really hadn't had too much time to, but it's coming along. I've been working on it a lot lately because I got nothing but time now, so hopefully we'll get it up in the air and get it rolling soon.